Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making slime. We're just going to be making regular slimes. I have some clay right here just in case. We are going to be making mint slime and putting it in this mint container. But make sure to subscribe, hit the notifications button, and like this video. Comment down below if you've done all these things. So let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is like any other slimer would, is put in our glue. If you notice from my other videos, I have changed locations. I am back in Georgia. That's enough. This shouldn't last me. This probably isn't gonna last me till Christmas. I'm asking for glue for Christmas. It's only Halloween, guys. So, like, yeah, it's only Halloween. We're gonna go grab something. So, we are making a mint slime, and my name is Cassidy, if you are new to this channel. So, on this channel, we pretty much just talk about slime and make slime and play with slime and do things to slime. Because, of course, this is Jennifer Gallagher's slime channel. My name is Cassidy. This is my mom's channel, but I do more videos on this channel than on my channel. Let's add this. This works. Okay. So I added a lot of baby oil, as you can see. Okay, all mixed in. Time for shaving cream. Time for shaving cream. That's enough. Moana. This isn't gonna be a Moana sign. Let's see. Let's just get it all mixed together. This is awesome. Whoa. This is amazing. And I love this slime, even though this is a mint slime. This is Wild Cherry Blossom lotion is by Suave. And I just bought it today and it's probably already half empty. We're adding a lot. A little bit more. That's enough. Good thing about this is not like a pale lotion. This is a white lotion, and I like that. Okay, next thing. Okay, over to the cornstarch. and check out my channel. You know, cornstarch is not my best friend. Yeah, I did the blindfolded slime challenge, and it just didn't go very well. Sorry about the TV behind me. Forgot to turn it off when I started filming. And yeah, oh my gosh. But when I did my blindfolded slime challenge, I went scoop and it fell. And it all fell all over. It was just bad. It is a really big amount of shaving cream that I put in here. Oh my god, it's like not mixing in. Okay, so I'm gonna go fold and fold, fold and fold. Okay, there we go. There we go. Water. Gotta be careful, my plate is getting full. I wanted to make this a big slime. Okay. That's enough. Probably isn't gonna activate. I do not have faith in this slime. It is way too big. Like, way too big. Like, this is a small little container. There's this big, huge slime. No, not gonna work. I'm probably gonna have to do something with the rest of this. Okay, I'm gonna do that go in with my hands thing. I don't do this much because I don't like to. But in this case, I'm going to for my JG fam. And go watch Crafty Girls. I am not partnered with them, but I love to watch their videos. Crafty Girls, if you are watching this, I love making slime and I watch your videos all the time. So go check out my other channel, and this is for everyone. Go check out my other channel. It is called Cassidy Gallinger, and yeah, it's just a really good channel. And then my brother's channel is called Carter Gallinger. So there's a lot of Gallingers or YouTube videos, but this slime is starting to come together and make a good slime. So it doesn't get off your hands, but I guess that's how any other slime works, I think. Sorry, I just make slimes. I don't really search how they work. I'm just a maker. Okay. This is a good slime so far. Still a little sticky, so yeah. Yeah. It's Halloween, almost Halloween, almost Halloween. Yeah. It is currently October 7th, so there's, wait, what day? I don't know, and I don't really care. It's just Halloween month, the month of scare. But I do not like horror movies. I do not like even scary movies. Scariest movie I've ever watched is The Walking Dead. It was the scariest movie I've ever watched. And I was 5, so it didn't really appeal to me. Okay, and there we go. There was one video where I didn't show my face the whole time. Like, I always show my face in a video on this channel. Like, it was sad. I always show my face the whole time. Like, it made me sad. I always show my face the whole time. Sorry, I am tired of sitting, so I'm going to push this chair in. Hopefully I do flip it. And this is such a good slime. I take a long time to make slimes. Like, a long time. Okay. Okay. Now, time to add in our clay. I'm not going to use all of this because I don't want it to be a very fluffy slime. But let's push the slime over. We're going to clean up the table. Okay. We're going to add some more lotion to it. Okay. And my Dollar General is already setting up Christmas things, and it's not even Halloween yet. Like, there's still Thanksgiving and Hanukkah. Wait, when's Hanukkah? I don't know, guys. I'm just blabbing out words. Yay! I'm not as happy as I usually am, but yeah, that's just me. Okay, this is good. My mom thought this was slime earlier, and then I told her it was clay, and she's like, wow, blob. Okay. Okay, let's just mix this clay into this slime. Should I put it on the table? I'm going to. I did change spots. I usually do on my channel, maybe one time or 2 times on this channel, but I usually do it at my salon desk. Right now, I'm doing it at my kitchen table. I have a small cold, but I can manage. That's why I'm not as happy as I usually am, because I'm losing my voice. But I'm new. My fans needed me, so I came out here today. And no, I do not have paint on my nails because cheerleading does not allow you to have paint on your nails. And we're back. Okay, sorry about that. So, okay, I have something weird that I'm gonna do, so I'm gonna see if this actually works. Okay, we're gonna take some mint, yes. I'm gonna put some more lotion on it. I'll see if this works. I really want this to work. This looks so, like, turn this. Wait, do I want to do this? And I'm back. Sorry, had to go away for a second. But I'm back now. Okay. Sorry. I'm on. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Wait, why do I keep saying okay? And okay. Oh my gosh, stop. Okay. And I'm back. Okay. 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 So let's mix this and see if it does anything to the slime. I did this because this is, of course, like I've said, a mint slime. And this is mint gum, and it's sticky. So, a little bit of detergent. I think it's too much lotion. I added a lot of lotion to the slime. And I'm losing my voice. Great. It's like chunky. This is not fit in a small little container. Like, it's not happening. It's probably not gonna fit in my bigger containers. You don't know how many slimes I make a day, but like are crappy, and I throw them away because I like try, and I cannot fix them. Comment down below if you want me to do a fixing my old slime challenge. This poopsie slime was a... So let's get the plate back out and slowly... Actually, we're gonna do this quickly. Put this on the plate. And I'm not taking you with me for this, but throwing it away. And I'm back with my cleaned off hands. So that slime was a big fat fail. So my big fat fail will post down below if you, comment down below if you think I could have saved that slime. I don't think I could have. Like, I'm good with slime, but like, that was, oh yeah, this is clay. I'm using also. Okay, but I'm activating this. Okay. Ooh, cleans it off. It's time for lunch. Actually, it's almost dinner time. It's already 3:56. It's 4 o'clock here for me in the Georgias. But in California, it's like 12:57, which is when I visited, California? Yeah, California. This is like my cleaning routine. Only usually because of slime, it picks up way easier. Okay, corn starts being put out. So, hey guys, welcome back. Well, you've been back, but that is it for this video. It was a complete fail. Like, you don't even know how much of a fail that was. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Okay, but I will probably ask my coach if I can do a cheerleading video. I'll probably do one on my other channel, but for you today, subscription I have in my other channels are Jennifer Galland, and on my channel is Ava LouTube, Jennifer Gallinger, Carter Gallinger, and Chris Hilton, I think. I do not know, but make sure to subscribe to this channel and go check out my other channel too.